Hi guys, so this is it. I can't believe it. We made it to the end, and I know you guys have been working hard. I really appreciate it. I am going to be talking to you a little bit today about your last science assignments, and I want you guys to make sure that you read through the information also on Schoology. And if you look here, you can see that we are going to be going over the nervous system. So on the nervous system, there is a cool infographic here, and it talks about the central nervous system, which is part of your brain and your spinal cord, and then what is also known as your peripheral nervous system, and that includes all of the nerves coming off of your spinal cord. So you guys look at that. Um, so we have the anatomy of the neuron, and the neuron is going to be the cell of the nervous system. This is the last page of the identifying part on here that you're going to have to do like this for the neuron. So make sure that you read the information, read the descriptions, make sure that you label them. You will label S for soma, which is like the cell body, N for nucleus. I is going to be a Nissl body, and M is going to be a microtubule, and D is going to be a dendrite, and A is going to be the axon. On here, I just want you to answer the level 1 questions, so there's not too many to label on there. And then there is the divisions of the nervous system. I am posting a video for you guys to watch. It's the Make Me Genius video. If you look on here, I have crossed off some of the things for you to do. So on the page that I copied over for you guys, I copied over all the body system pages in March before I actually left for spring break, just in case we ended up doing some things at home. So I apologize for not having numbers put in front of some of the information, like the respiratory system. So on here, if you follow along, you can see what areas to cross off, like 6 through 9, cross those off. If you look on here, you can fill this out as you watch the video. There's just a couple of things to fill out. Very easy matching over here. And labeling the brain. So if you watch the video, you can label the brain, and you will kind of like draw a line from the thing to the picture, and also put A, B, C, or D here on the lines. And this one is another short one to fill out and cross off that area. I wanted to point out that this word here is called a synapse, and it's where the two neurons will meet. There's a little space called the synapse, and there are some electrochemicals that go across that synapse that go from one neuron to the next neuron. Okay, so a couple of final words. I really, really, really am going to miss you. I also want you guys to click on the Google slides that I have for you. There will be the message right here that I'm doing. Also, if you click on the neuron here, it will take you to the video. If you look here, you have a neuron cell. It kind of explains a little bit more. Your central nervous system and your peripheral nervous system. I will be here to answer any questions. You will have time also to make up any work that you need to for the rest of the week. And I almost forgot to tell you one more thing, that there is a quiz for you guys to do to see how well you have learned different parts of the body system that we've been studying the last couple of weeks. I am asking that you try to get at least a 60%, which is passing. You can do it as many times as you want. Just make sure you put your name in it so that I can give you credit for it. If you have any questions, make sure that you email me and ask me. And like I said, just know I'm really going to miss you guys. I'm sorry that I couldn't see you and be in the classroom. I have tried to do my best to get you guys everything that you need for online school. So I wish you the best of luck and good luck and finish strong.